How to operate hand tractor. Step 1. Wear your PPE. Step 2. Prepare and check the hand tractor. Following the step-by-step procedures. Check the gas and oil level. Check the hand tractor belt if it's firm. Step 3. Press decompressor knob and insert the crank handle and rotate to get the momentum. Step 4. Release the clutch to lower the tension and operate the hand tractor. Press the brake to pause the hand tractor. Turn off the hand tractor by turning off the switch. To attach the implement, remove the hitch pin. Attach the drawbar on the hitch point of the hand tractor and put the hitch pin back. Return the equipment to the proper area and clean it. Thanks for watching.